In this video, I'll show you how to use TradingView for Forex trading. First, create a TradingView account, free or paid, so you can save charts and layouts. Next, open a Forex chart by typing a currency pair like EUSD or GBPJPY in the top left search bar and select the FXCM option for accurate Forex data. Choose your time frame depending on your strategy. Short-term traders might use 1 minute to 1 hour charts, while daily charts work for long-term analysis. Then, click the indicators button on the top toolbar to add essentials like moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. Next, identify trends by spotting higher highs and higher lows for uptrends or lower highs and lower lows for downtrends. Mark key support and resistance levels and watch for reversal patterns like head and shoulders or double tops and bottoms. Use pivot points from previous OHLC data to find potential entry and exit zones and check RSI and MACD for overbought or oversold condition. Finally, confirm your trend direction with the super trend indicator. Green for buy, red for sell. With these steps, you're ready to analyze Forex markets and make informed trading decisions.